Diabetic, wouldn't fruits make it worse? No, it's not true at all, actually. It's the only thing that's going to save you. I mean, it's the only thing that's going to save you. I'm telling you. It's the only thing that's going to save you. Nothing else is going to save you otherwise. No other modality can save you if you have a blood sugar problem. The other modalities like the keto and everything, these are not solving the problem. They are suppressing the problem. Big difference. So let me go over how to heal your blood sugar problems so you understand the philosophy behind it or the idea behind it. Okay? When you have any kind of blood sugar problems, okay, I don't care if it's pre-diabetic or type 2, whatever it is, it's because you have weak nervous system, very important to understand that, and you have a weak adrenal glands and weak pancreas. And more importantly, you have a weak lymphatic system because the lymphatic system affects all those glands. So if you want to heal those glands, you need to go on a fruit-only cleanse. It cannot be fruit and, it has to be fruits only. Why? Because when you combine with other foods, your sugar will spike up. But when you go on fruit-only cleanse for a day or two, your sugar will spike up. But then it drops and it stabilizes. You'll be shocked. Okay? Actually, it can get pretty low if your adrenals are weak. So you need to pay attention to it and watch your sugar and your medication, whatever you're on. And then you might need a glandular to stimulate the glands because if you're on insulin, for instance, your glands are probably beaten up so badly that it's hard to get them back. So it can take a long time to pick it up, okay? And so you need to do that. So this is how you fix it. But more importantly, you need to work on your kidney filtration and your lymphatic system. If you do that, you see, once the glands repair themselves, you see that you'll be fine.